Page 37, Chant of the Monks. This is similar to what we just did, except now we got two monks chanting, one in each hand. 4/4 time. They got a bunch of notes in the left hand. They put the name of the note in the left hand notes for you to help you out, because it's really important you know the names of those notes in the music. I think we've had them before, but it may have been a while. One hand at a time first, because we got both hands going. So here, we're here, thumb on middle C, puts us in C position. They call it a pentascale. Penta means 5. It's 5 here. That's what they mean. You could go the rest of your life and never use that word again. Just fine. But this book uses it, so okay, there it is. Most books just say it's a 5-finger position. And the name of the position is the bottom note. So this is a 5-finger position. It's a C position. C is the bottom note. So we'll just say, put your hand in C position. Well, you don't know which C position because there's a lot of them on the keyboard. The music tells you which C position it is, and it's this one. They call it a C pentascale. Ooh, that's fancy. Ooh. And then you're playing the notes. They're just similar to what we had. Sound familiar? Mm-hmm. Well, it's the left hand. Now the left hand's going to join in. So the left hand, the little fingers on this C, so you're in this C position. And you're going to play these notes. I don't know why they put the thumb, the one there. You don't need it. I mean, it's there. You're just going to use it. So make sure you know the names of the notes. The rhythm's the same as the right hand. Then you put the hands together and see if it works. You're using different fingers now in the hands. They're not mirroring each other. To go that fast, you go your speed. If you're hesitating anywhere, get rid of the practice and get rid of those hesitations. The beat has to be steady all the way through. Then we can add the articulation, and there the only articulation you have are the slurs. You're going to lift up between these slurs. Lift up, and that's both hands. You got slurs in both hands. It's like taking a breath each time. Then we add the dynamics. Well, loud, forte at the beginning, you decide what loud is, but that's what it is. And then when you get to the second line on the third measure over, or measure 6, it's soft, both hands. Now you're just going to be soft, and you'll have to decide what soft is. It's just the first part of it's loud and the last part of it's soft. Okay. And this is a slow thing. Now these words, I don't know how familiar you are with the words and singing and all that, but just in case, generally when they put words and music together, you get one note per word or per syllable of a word. Because Alleluia is multiple syllables. They could have done Alleluia with 4 separate notes and been just fine. But what they've done is they want you to sing one syllable for 2 beats, for 2 notes. And that's what that dash is for. So you keep singing the ah, and then lay, and then loo. And that's how that works. That's how the singing. I don't do singing in these videos, but if you're singing, that's how it would work. If they didn't put the dash in there, you might not sing anything. You'd go ah, lay, loo. You know, you'd be quiet in between. They don't want you. They want you singing all the way through. So they put the dash in there to tell you to keep singing. At the bottom, they're telling you to play this in a G pentascale. They want you to transpose it. So instead of here, you put your hand in G position somewhere. It doesn't matter where. You can put it here, you can put it here, wherever. And they want you to play it up there. It's up to you. I don't like that kind of thing because now you're more focused on what fingers you're playing and not the notes. I prefer to stay focused on the notes. So let's play this together very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 4 counts. I'm not going to do the dynamics, but I will lift up between the slurs. 1, 2, ready, go.